Everyone with manager permission can access absence reports in Engage. All reports are limited to the staff or departments that the user supervises. Most of these reports can be exported in PDF or Excel format. The PDF versions include charts and figures that are not included in the Excel files. I'll run through what the different reports are for. The executive summary is where you should start for an overview. It focuses on departmental and company-wide absence statistics. The comprehensive absence summary shows spell-by-spell absence details for your chosen period. You can also include employees' personal absence statistics. The cost of absence analysis converts the absence data into pounds and pence based on the average cost per day that is lost. The Absence Trends report focuses on absence causes and short and long-term absence trends. If you want to review the split between medical, non-medical and authorised absence, this is the report to choose. The Management Task Review tracks the completion rates and turnaround times of return-to-work interviews, review meetings and other tasks. To help managers improve their task completion rates, it can be helpful to produce a collated list of outstanding tasks. Today's Absentees report allows you to export your current absentee list, and you can filter the results by short and/or long-term absence. Use this report also to manage sick or fit notes. Companies that subscribe to First Day Occupational Health Service can download integrated outcome statistics using the First Day OH results report. Finally, the custom data table offers raw data export into Excel with a custom field selection, absence reason filter and department selector. This is where you can include your company-specific employee details that are not shown on the other reports.